This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Charming cottage-like home with lots of potential and room to grow. Featuring new HVAC system installed in 2021, and completely renovated bathroom just completed days ago. Hardwood floors throughout, tile flooring in the bathroom, spacious backyard. Kitchen appliances and washer and dryer convey as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.